just made the film without thinking what's going to happen, how it's going to release, kya karenge, and then the entire belief system just gets restored because the Fantastic Four have, you know, come together.
It's a much more complex film, you know, than it could have been just a regular action thriller. Baby is lost. Who's the, you know, but it's the craft of it is really unique.
Besides the series work that I do, that kind of all my films have all been very indie spirited. Whether it's AK with him, or whether it's Control, or whether it's Trap, they've all been like really kind of like small films that you're trying to just get shit done.
Motwani was making his first film. और हाँ जमशेदपुर में बारिश नहीं हो रही थी and I know that गाड़ी के ऊपर साउंड डिजाइनर कुणाल शर्मा ऐसा लेटा हुआ है और वहाँ से ऊपर से बारिश करवा रहा है, वही बारिश भी कर रहा है, वही साउंड में रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है और गाड़ी के ऊपर बंधा हुआ है और गाड़ी के अंदर से शॉट है। तो ये इसने भी किया हुआ है पहली फिल्म में, अब नहीं करता है, अब इसको चाहिए प्रॉपर।
नहीं अभी कर लेंगे।
And I was shooting Veda at that time, and it was the same thing like a chase and cast and this thing. I looked at Sharwari and I said, "यार picture reshoot करो." हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यार?
Hi, welcome to Filmfare. I'm Rachit Gupta, and today I've had a crazy opportunity to meet a huge panel. It almost looks like, you know, this is like some classroom, and I'm the misfit over here. But nevertheless, we're talking about a film called Stolen. It's gonna release on Amazon Prime soon, and there's a bevy of filmmakers over here who are attached to it. So let's jump into that. Hello guys, how are you doing?
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Great. Achha, so probably you guys have gotten tired of talking about this, but that's my opening question. What is this, you know, what is with this film that invites Anurag Kashyap, Vikram, Nikhil, Kiran on board?
Is the film?
हाँ मतलब ऐसा क्या हुआ कि आप लोग जुड़ गए इसके साथ?
जादू जादू
जादू
जादू हिल गए।
हाँ, it's one of the things that gives you an adrenaline rush and high, and I think we want everyone to experience it.
So it's a great film.
Yeah.
मतलब इन द सेंस यहाँ पे रिवर्स है।
हाँ मतलब मैं सोच रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैंने डायरेक्टर के थोड़े बहुत इंटरव्यूज पढ़े हुए हैं तो आई नो
नहीं फिल्म तो इन्होंने बनाई है मेहनत करके।
हाँ जी।
I just feel that I'm very honored to be have my name
presenting
on
it.
To have my name on it.
Okay.
I'm like, it only adds to us
Yeah.
and
Yeah, actually,
gives
we
the
are the
thought.
ones who are lucky.
We are the ones who like-
Yeah, honestly.
Karan, Gaurav, you guys want to add some context over here?
That's
I'm speechless
extremely
right now,
gracious of
so-
them to say that, honestly. You know, I mean, I think this final leg was not possible without their belief and their support, and I think that really speaks a lot to their humble modesty that they're saying that it's an honor for them. I mean, of course, for any filmmaker, it's an honor to be even associated with masters like them. You know, so it's
That's
the
true.
opposite for us.
That's true. So by definition, is this situation like an indie film has turned out to be that great that it's found backing from, you know, storytellers? Is that
It is indie in making, but it's not really an indie film. It's really, it comes across like a bloody good thriller.
Yeah, we never set out to make any labeled film, yeah, or indie. It's made in an independent thought,
Correct.
and that's why it's independent. But we made a commercial film. That was from day one the idea, and all the people who came together had a singular vision of. There were lots of fights and there were lots of, you know, but that's a healthy thing because everybody brings their perspective to it, and then that is a unified perspective. So I think we never set out to make a boring film that goes to blah 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 and does blah blah blah. We wanted to make for the audience, and that is, and these guys have empowered us to actually bring it to the audience.
that's great.
Honestly, each and every one of us who was presenting it, when we saw it, each of us said, "Kya kar sakte hain? How can we help to get this film out?" That's how good this film is, and for all of us, it's just been great that we were able to do this. I mean, to be involved with it, to, like Anurag said, to have our names on it, gives us like such a high.
Super. Abhishek is the face of the film. He wants to add something. He's being very quiet.
I mean, what can I add?
He's a commercial actor. He only does commercial films.
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या?
He doesn't do arty.
Yeah.
तो इसको कैसे इसमें फंसा लिया आप लोगों ने?
Because it is commercial. I don't know, like I
It
never
was
thought
pitched as a commercial film.
Yeah.
Yeah. It was never pitched as something that is, you know, for a very small audience. It is always, the perspective was that we want to reach wide, and that's why Amazon, which really empowered us along with these 4 people, you know, get it to the audience that we intended to get it to. And that's why it's happening.
I think these conversations are also happening because, like, when I came to Bombay and the kind of Indian cinema which we were watching in college was, you know, Black Fridays or Panch or Udaan. I mean, for us, those were also independent cinema. So I mean, कभी ये नहीं सोचा कि क्या कहते हैं, those that independent cinema can't take the center stage. So yeah, I think that was the idea. Like I mean, it was produced and created outside the economic structure of Bombay. You know, for that matter, like पूरा दिल्ली में एक घर में हमने ये film बनाई, and then we from there flew down to Pushkar and we just shot the film. So it was as simple and basic like that. That few filmmakers, a producer, director came to an actor, you know, with a script which was very exciting, and we just made the film without thinking what's going to happen, how it's going to release, क्या करेंगे, and then the entire belief system just gets restored because the Fantastic Four have, you know, come together and
Fantastic.
You know,
Four. Yeah, that's a good name. Oh wow, yes, I love it.
नाम भी मिल गया.
That's a good.
That's a nice marketing plug, no?
Yeah. No, it's just something.
There's a
और भी
parallel
कुछ है.
conversation.
Okay.
experience है ना commercial marketing की.
नहीं हम लोग का बहुत क्लियर था. हम इसमें I think you know when कि हाँ वो इसने सारी कमर्शियल हिट फिल्में की है ना, तो इसलिए ऐसा एक्टर चाहिए था.
Nikhil, you want to add something?
No, I don't understand what the term indie means. So I have no.
Indeed, see,
I have
love that answer.
Yeah, but that is
love
true.
that answer,
Then I'm,
yeah.
You know, people confuse indie with boring.
Yeah, that's what
People confuse indie with boring.
Indie is not boring.
No, but people think indie is like
Indie, I
self-funded,
guess what you mean by is backed by a studio.
driven by
that kind of-
मतलब
pure
couple
passion and grit.
individuals have made the film
Right.
as
right.
opposed to a studio.
Yeah, so it's backed by a studio, and I think that a film like Stolen would not have been possible if Gaurav had not decided at the onset that listen, I'm going to put in everything, and then we'll make the film, and then we'll figure out how to distribute it, right? I mean, in retrospect and the journey that he's had,
See,
possibly they were trying
studios
to
generally what they do is they figure out ये फिल्म का ये OTT सेल ऐसा होगा, TV इतना होगा, ये होगा. They work out the selling of the film before they greenlight the film.
And back
And back
work
it.
backwards.
You know,
Work
more
backwards.
and more,
This is not like
whenever
that.
I'm dealing with these lot of the studios and all, it's always about proof is in the pudding. Really, at the end of the day, I think what these two have done is they made it and they said, okay, this is the film, ye hai picture, and that's why you got an Amazon Prime who's basically seen the end product and understood, listen, this was the vision. I don't think that there are lots of the choices that Karan and Gaurav took would be they would be able to make people understand this is what we want to do, and
We
this is
never
how we
tried
want to do,
also.
and this is why we want to try it. This is how we want to shoot it. This is the kind of this for large part of the film. There's no BGM. All these kind of stuff. You know, these are so. I think that it's not really. And I don't want to defend that it's commercial. It's a good film. It's a
Really bloody good.
right?
Like,
And I think that four of us as well. I mean, like Kiran said, the first thing I said when I saw it, I thought, what can I do to help? How can you? Whatever you want to do. And at that time, they were not even thinking about theatrical and streaming and theatrical. Of course, it was always this film has been made for the cinemas. People should go enjoy. But I said, what do you want to do? And I believe Kiran said the same thing. I believe Anurag and Vic and I saw the film together. And we came out and said everything works, you know. So everything works. So it's a perfect film in the space that it's been made. It's relentless. It's energetic. It's mad. It's got great choices. It flips all around. Plot is there. So I don't know. Is there an indie film? I don't know. Maybe. I don't know.
Maybe. Okay. So Karan, Gaurav, I mean, how did you guys sort of start making this film? What was the initial idea? Why did you not take the conventional route of getting a studio on board and doing all of that?
For me, honestly, I just wanted, like, you know, I wanted that creative freedom to do my own film. I used to work as an AD, and the last two films which I did 15 years before as an AD, as a first-time filmmakers, and I saw how.
Which one was that?
Teen The Bhai Mrikki and
okay.
Ferrari Ki Sawari Rajesh Ki. And you know, I felt like both those films sort of, they kind of lost their way a little bit in the making and the pressure of first time filmmakers and everybody else like sort of weighing in, that I personally wanted to make a film where I am responsible for the good, the bad, the ugly, whatever. If it's shit, I'm responsible. If it's good, I'm responsible, you know. So I was really looking for that kind of creative freedom to make a film, firstly, and then Stolen, like everyone's kind of said, is I wanted to shoot it in a certain way that is kind of I mean, for lack of this thing, I wanted to shoot it differently. You know, I was kind of bored of the very standard short river, short horse river. You know, it's like film after film. It's just that. And that's a very useful tool in cinema. But I thought, at least with my first film, I wanted to do something that kind of breaks some of those conventions. You know, and how can one tell a story within outside of that? There's so many internationally people do it all the time. So I had enough hundreds of examples in front of me. It was not very difficult to see how it could work. But yes, given in a studio space, I mean, I shot 40% of the film 1-for-1. It was take it or leave it. There was no option. There was no cutaway, you know, like what we have to save a scene or stuff like that. So it was just 1-for-1. And it just got slotted into the edit, move on to the next scene, you know. So I wanted to take that risk. And for me, it was like a high risk, high reward situation. Either I fail or I don't. And you know how it is. You get one chance in this industry, otherwise you're out. And I mean, every time you got to do that, of course, it's not just the first time around. Every time you got to prove yourself. But I mean, and I've seen this is again from example that I've seen. So I wanted to take a high risk, high reward approach to it. And hopefully going forward as well, I want to continue to keep that risk appetite. Otherwise, yeah, sure, we will fail sometimes, but then at least there's a hope of doing something interesting. Otherwise, you're stuck just doing what, you know, convention states.
That's fantastic.
I mean, from a producer perspective, since all of you have done production, this kind of approach to, say, a young filmmaker, is that the ideal approach? Would you say that a young filmmaker should just go and make the film instead of just waiting, कि कब green light होगी, कब producer आएगा?
No, it has, I think, for what
I
he's
mean-
saying is so inspiring. At the same time, to do that, you also need a producer.
Yeah.
You also need a producer who has your back, which is where the combo works very well. Him and Gaurav together did this. हम लोग तो यहाँ बैठे बैठे उसकी कहानियाँ सुन के बोल रहे कि भाई यार यही चाहिए. I'm saying as a filmmaker, deep down I'm not a producer. I don't think deep down she's a producer.
और 3 दिन ब्लॉक किया वो लोग ने रेलवे स्टेशन.
Yeah, to
If
do-
I tell my line producer, my executive EP, that they'll say, "Boss, पागल हो गए sir."
Not possible.
Sir, पागल हो गया. You know.
ये actually दोनों पागल हैं.
It's that kind of thing.
Actually
right?
दोनों पागल हैं. वो पागलपन होना
Yeah,
चाहिए.
yeah.
Exactly.
वो पागलपन होना चाहिए और I think इसका madness और उसका madness
वो कॉन्फ्रेंस
वही
रूम में ब्लॉक
film
करो
में
यार.
बनाना।
उस दिन एक दिन मिलेगा आपको रेकी के टाइम पे आप ब्लॉक कर दो 2-3 घंटे के लिए. It's incredible. Some of the
This
stories
is-
that we've
yeah.
heard, you know.
I mean,
For
Yeah,
the first
we had to
3-4 days, I was really scared because they wanted me to do stuff which I've never done. And I'm like, क्या बात कर रहे हो यार? ऐसे थोड़ी होगा कि गाड़ी ड्यून से नीचे
नीचे
गिरवा
उतार
दो. And they're like, practice करो. First day.
Stuntman नहीं है.
I'm like, hey,
I'm
bhai.
telling you, the
And I thought
backstories in
boom,
this
कोई
film
होगा.
are
And I'm
as interesting as the
backstory.
And they didn't tell me all this.
Incredible.
When I'm
बहुत
standing
मजे
there,
की
they're
कहानी
like,
है।
practice करो.
वहाँ जाके पता लगा.
The first time I told him, he was just like, "Are you
I
kidding
thought
me?
they're kidding.
What is wrong with you?" I was like, "नहीं, but cameras on your face, तो कैसे करेंगे?" Then he didn't have an answer.
You know, as a director, what we
Wanted me to
strive for
try.
during the day is to have as much control.
Yeah.
Control on your is compromising. You've come to the shoot. You're already compromising. जो costume चाहिए था वो नहीं और suddenly actor मोटा हो गया या छोटा हो गया या बड़ा हो गया या पतला हो गया. अरे यार, y'all did a this thing. So from minute one, it is already you're compromising.
Adjusting.
And you're adjusting. Adjust कर रहे, ये कर रहे. Light चाहिए था. अरे during the take rec, it was beautiful light. Now what happened? Overcast हो.
Yeah.
So you're just striving
You
for
have to
control.
get the day somehow.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
just,
getting the day, yeah.
Right? And at the end of the day, and you got to choose that one thing that you are not going to control. Not going to compromise on. You get that one thing, good day. It's a good day. These guys.
But it really speaks
Yeah.
to a kind of producing ethos for like Gaurav to say, rehearse, block, take the time, do the wrecking, get all that right, because indies ordinarily would do what you said, like first filmmaker idea है, अच्छा है, चलो करो, और आपको सिर्फ 4 पैसे मिलेंगे and do what you can in it. But here there's someone who's backing you, like it's honestly that's the combination, like
मतलब
Anurag said,
खड्डे
you
में गिर
need
गया यार.
a producer.
मैं metaphorically नहीं बोल रहा
Metaphorically,
हूँ.
actually.
खड्डे में गिर गया यार.
कैसे? You want to tell us that story?
I think they are better storytellers.
Yeah.
I think after this film
In,
का experience, Abhishek is ready for Mission Impossible.
I think the every film is different, so there is no rule. I mean, I think the rule of making films is there is no rule.
Yeah.
You mold it the way what requires. You know, in this we had long takes, long, massive, long 5 minute, 7 minute, 8 minute takes. How do you do a long take like that? You have to rehearse it, you have to block it, you have to know 360 is your set. It's not just this frame, it's 360. So you got to plan that, make sure everybody knows what they're supposed to do at what time. You have to call them for rehearsals because ये लोग सही कर देंगे और वो लोग गलत कर देंगे तो क्या होगा, तो उनका भी रिहर्सल होगा, इनका भी रिहर्सल होगा, कैमरा वाले का भी रिहर्सल होगा, साउंड का भी रिहर्सल होगा. To do that, to get that effect, you need to rehearse. You need to, and rehearsing ka bhi, it's very tricky because we don't want the performances because we want to retain the performance for the actual performance. So you don't have to get them to act. You have to get them to know and to be prepared to react. You know, I shot a scriptless film, called Angry Indian Goddesses without a script.
Yeah.
It was fully improvised. 17 days, we shot the film. 32 people. It was just brilliant. It was just amazing experience. Just contained, everybody in it. You have to have the people invested into it.
Yeah.
And when they're invested, your job is half done. You know, you get the right people, get them to invest, done. And then you just need to work with them to just shepherd it. Because the work actually is done by actor and the director and the sound recordist. And what is your job? Your job is to bring a vision and saying this is how we're going to do it. We're not going to compromise, no matter what it takes, no matter how much money will be spent. We will do it because you are all coming on a very small fee to do something special. That's how we got this crew. We all are taking credit for it, but the real credit is to the crew, who really, they really worked hard and really.
It's a very old saying, good films are made by everybody.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Directors made bad films.
Directors made by?
Bad films are made by the director. Because he didn't make the right choice.
Good
films are
good
made
film
by-
made by the great team.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So I'll give a lot of credit to, of course, इनके बिना तो होएगी नहीं, लेकिन उनको भी मैं बहुत credit दूंगा जो सारे crew था. They were really dedicated and worked really day and night. So, and it inspires you. Then why are you sleeping then when everybody is working? Make yourself useful. Do something, act, or do something. I used to drive most of the film. I drove everybody around.
तो वो
Because
गड्ढे में
what am I
कैसे
doing?
He was
नहीं
actually a
पहला
efficient
प्रोड्यूसर
driver.
जो नर्क में कूदा है फिल्म बनाने के लिए.
So the Narc was in the Gadda as well.
Yeah.
Not a gadda, कुआं.
Did you
Kuan.
have you seen the film?
I've seen the film.
What did you think?
It's fantastic. But there are certain questions I had. Part of it you guys have addressed. Like, the first time I was watching the film, I sort of felt, because मैं भी थोड़ा बहुत script writing कर चुका हूँ, fail हो चुका हूँ, 10 साल तक nevertheless. So my first instinct was, what if this were to be made in a Pulp Fiction style? So did that sort of thoughts ever cross your mind?
He had written one version like that, like different stories.
But it was still linear though. I wanted to tell a linear story only. Even so, that story was kind of in the same time frame and merging at the same time frame and sort of finishing within that same. So the story, this particular film I really wanted to tell very linear, very lean, because it was sort of set within this.
But I'm talking about the finesse of the technicality, the presentation, how your film is very grainy and gritty.
But I wanted
in
to be
its
real,
setting.
Pulp Fiction is obviously one of the most amazing films ever made. When I watched it, I was just blown entirely by it. But Pulp Fiction and Tarantino's work has his very strong style, and that's what really makes him that great. But for me, this one was just the way I wanted to tell this story particularly. I don't know, what's going to happen around the next time, but I wanted to tell this very cinema, very, sort of cut to reality right in front of you, So I just made all my choices based on that. I never imagined it any other way, actually.
Yeah, actually for me when I was shooting, I didn't know how it's going to look, right? So the first cut when Katie showed, I actually saw a lot of finesse and a lot of style of, a director in the movie. उससे पहले मुझे नहीं पता था कि केटी क्या देख रहा है. We were doing whatever we were doing, Karan Tejpal. But you know what I mean? Like, so I think he has a unique finesse and style to this film, and वो strategized ही है. It's not just raw.
Of course.
Absolute, like high level craft actually.
Yeah, it's very good.
It's incredible the way he's. I think, sort of gritty realism, all that is there. But to be able to tell a story, keep you at the edge of your seat when it's actually pretty dark, everything that's going on, but it's incredibly engrossing and entertaining at the same time. It's giving you all kinds of truth bombs. You're discovering things about yourself. You're, you know, sort of presented with uncomfortable choices you are making as a viewer. Who are you siding with? How are you seeing this story unfold? It's a much more complex film, you know, than it could have been just a regular action thriller. Baby is lost. Who's the, you know, but it's the craft of it is really unique.
Nice. You know, while I was also watching the film, I could draw so many parallels. And did any of those parallels strike you? Like, for example, Anurag, child being stolen at the beginning of the film, very similar to Ugly.
No.
I mean, in terms of that very subplot premise, also the vigilante justism, I could draw parallels to Bhavesh Joshi. So, did any of this strike you
यार,
guys?
वैसा नहीं होता, वो
या
I
सिर्फ ये
think
मेरे
no,
दिमाग में है?
नहीं वो जो तू बोल रहा है ना, I call it the cinephile syndrome.
हाँ, agreed, absolutely.
क्या
The
क्या
cinephile syndrome. It's a cinephile syndrome.
तुमने इतनी ज़्यादा फिल्में देख ली हैं.
तुमने
You are
इतनी ज़्यादा फिल्में देख ली हैं.
cross-referencing everything
Yeah,
all the
because
time.
I don't want to go away from Stolen. I'll tell this story. Remind me after this.
After, okay.
Because it's a highly,
This is a very.
just going back, it's a highly finessed film.
It's a very. I think it's a very
in
flawless.
its rawness, it's highly finessed
The finesse,
in that sense, right?
Right, it
It's
takes-
really.
It's easy to move the camera around in a haphazard way to actually make it feel like you're going for cinema verite and that kind of stuff. But there are some directors, when they, Katie is one of those guys, Paul Greengrass is the other guys. Like within that certain energy, there's an emotion and there's a clarity of storytelling and a clarity of character development that's there, which is.
And
which
जब ठहरा
takes-
चाहिए ठहरा होता है.
Correct.
You know,
ये film-
two brothers traveling in a car, quietly sitting.
You know,
They are not speaking to each other.
There's a-
Suddenly he says, मैं
The-
बीवी चोर लग रहा हूँ.
You said it better than
But इसका मतलब, you know,
Yeah.
this is the passion behind this film. I remember because I was not on the set. I was producer of this film. Motwani was making his first film. और हाँ, जमशेदपुर में बारिश नहीं हो रही थी. And I know that गाड़ी के ऊपर साउंड डिजाइनर कुणाल शर्मा ऐसा लेटा हुआ है और वहाँ से ऊपर से बारिश करवा रहा है. वही बारिश भी कर रहा है, वही साउंड भी रिकॉर्ड कर रहा है. और गाड़ी के ऊपर बंधा हुआ है और गाड़ी के अंदर से शॉट है. तो ये इसने भी किया हुआ है पहले फिल्म में. अब नहीं करता है. अब इसको चाहिए प्रॉपर.
नहीं अभी कर लेंगे ना, मतलब करना
मौका
तो कर
मिलना
लेंगे.
चाहिए.
मौका मिलना चाहिए, कर लेंगे ना. This point time. Nowadays it's
ये वही वाला है.
But you know that frugal approach that sort of inspires genius. Do you guys miss that, and in part of your process as filmmakers today?
I personally
Yeah.
don't, because I still think I'm still trying the same. Besides
Yeah.
the series work
he
that I
to
do,
give free inventing himself.
besides the series work that I do, that kind of all my films have all been very indie spirited. Whether it's AK with him, or whether it's Control, or whether it's Trap, they've all been like really kind of like
Trap.
small films that you're trying to just get shit done. Yeah. And I think that some places trying to keep that same discipline throughout is nice. It's good.
So that
I
system
enjoy it.
sort of works for you.
It works for me because it gives me the freedom. People leave me alone. They're like, this budget, this actor, fine, do what you want. And I like that. I enjoy that. It's nice.
I'm saying
Same.
comparatively
I mean,
we're still low budget,
both
but
my
this
films was the same thing. I was like allowed to do what I wanted with a very fixed budget, and
if you
kind of
if
have
your
to make
budget
it
is
work,
under
so-
certain limit, you have freedom.
You have freedom. You get to make it work. Nikhil Advani, of course.
Maybe
As
Nikhil
freedom
can
and
give
big
us a
budgets also.
different perspective on that.
No, it's not a different. I think that it's we've gained enough credibility within the studio system and the people that we have to. I mean, the so-called people with the money to make that listen. Hello, these guys will deliver, right? So I think that I think that more or less they don't question so much on the process. They'll obviously have the questions will be there. But this is what we took from the script when it came, and how are you? Those are the simple this. But otherwise, there's nobody. I mean, I think that nobody interferes in that sense. That and I think that very clearly we are allowed to do what we want, and that's the only thing I think every filmmaker needs to strive for. That you should be allowed to do what you want to do. I can't believe. I mean, I can't believe that there are this whole concept of final cut. Is that मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है. It's such a this thing. We are very lucky. As filmmakers, we get to sit inside the editing room and do a cut, and our cut is coming up, that kind of stuff. So yeah, so I don't have a different take from. We really strive to make sure we have the control.
But in the current situation, the current scenario, how easy is it to, as a filmmaker, to have complete unilateral sort of place where you can take all your creative decisions, and your
Yeah, I think-
studio and your producer will not say कि नहीं भाई ये change कर दो.
I don't think at any point is it. Is
Making
in
the problem
filmmaking
is the
can it
problem
be
is
unilateral
after you have made the film.
Yeah.
After you have made the film, you have to
Yeah.
figure out the release distribution.
from-
That's where the
Yeah,
problem
that's-
lies.
But start to finish, it's a collaborative process. At the
collaborative.
end of the day, you are working with, not just your team. You're thinking beyond that. You want to get to a festival. You want to get to distribution. You're also thinking of all those things. At all points, you have to do that. It's not unilateral ever.
And also, I don't.
You know.
Any of us, none of us are close. In fact, if anything
Yeah.
else, we show our films a lot to
Yeah.
people to be able to get feedback. In the sense, of like, tell us what's wrong. Tell us what we can do better. Tell us what's working. Tell us what's not working. How do we make it shorter? Sometimes you're working, and so the best studios and the best, partners that you have are people who will tell you, it's great. Just try and cut 5 minutes. It's
Yeah.
great, but that section seems a bit fat. And that's the best kind of feedback you can get from anybody. So, and we're completely open to that kind of stuff. It's not
And
that
in
we're
most
closing
cases-
up, nahi hai.
And in
And
most
we
cases,
want our films to succeed. So
Of course
we
you want them to
want
succeed,
that
and trust me, in most cases, we know that those are those 5 minutes that is a problem.
Yeah.
And if somebody else voices that, you're like, oh, okay.
Got it.
It's
Stop and
not
think
as if
about
that
it, yeah.
it comes out of the blue, right? In the sense that feedback comes out of the blue. Sometimes okay, you just feel कि maybe nobody else will get it.
Yeah.
किसी और को शायद नहीं मिल जाए, you know. So when 2 people, 3 people who you trust, at the end of the day, you're showing it people you're collaborating with, you're trusting. So you're basically saying कि, oh yeah, listen, they got it. Everybody figured out that this was a problem. इसको ठीक कर लेते हैं, whatever, and move out from that, But like Kiran said, it's absolutely collaborative, and right now, very, very clearly, some of these things have very good people who are giving feedback to you, and they are reading and they are listening and they are collaborating with you. So yeah, even in the case of Stolen, when
I think even writing, when we were writing Stolen, we took feedback from a lot of people across the world, from New Zealand to Germany to France to US, and how they felt about, because our vision was to make a global film for a global audience. So we constantly took feedback from writers, producers, what they felt about it, and made amendments, as per feedback. And what we kept what we made sense. We didn't keep what didn't align with our strategy. So it is something, because you're so immersed in it, you lose perspective. Often you lost perspective.
Yeah.
And when somebody else points it out, it's a reality check, and you're like, okay, yes, yeah, I see value in what you're saying, and you course correct and you move forward. So I think that is, even with our cut, I think we showed it to a lot of people. A lot of people gave us a lot of feedback, and then that arrived at where the tight film that we've arrived. So it was not just happened. It just took a lot of time to do that.
Yeah, I mean, from the first time I got the screener, my first instinct is always to see kitna lamba film hai.
Huh.
The moment I saw it was like 90 minutes or so, I was like, boss,
Yeah.
this is gonna be
Yeah.
fun.
I mean, often I have been asked to cut down the film. Often,
I do the same thing. I do the
No,
same
I
thing.
will give you some perspective on this as well.
I'm not the only one. I'm not the only
often
one. He's not the only
films,
one.
I've sold films which are longer, and because I cut them shorter, they were not selected in a festival the year before, but I cut 30 minutes out of it. Next year it was in the festival. I didn't find distributor for her, and the director was really vivid. Like, kya kar raha hai tu? But that's how the distribution system works, and you gotta
It's also
somewhere align
becomes a
with that.
difficult thing to program. मतलब life में एक दो बार हुआ है बस ऐसा नहीं. I've had a film which is because of the length. I said, can you cut it short? I said, I don't know how to. वो होता है. Then it doesn't get programmed because then theaters also can't program it.
Yeah.
It doesn't serve the purpose of festival because festival is basically where buyers and distributors come to pick a film.
Yeah.
They wouldn't pick a film which is long. That film.
So
But-
for example, I was told, here is an MG, get it to me for this winner. Gave me the money and said, this is on the basis that you get me this cut. Because they get another show. Because if you do a movie more than 105 minutes, then they lose a show. Because
They
they
lose a
take
show.
15 minutes to clean and then do another show.
Correct.
So they get one more show with the same product. So it just becomes more viable.
So in the business of exhibition, a shorter film is a better product? Is
You
that-
can't say that. Every film
You
is
can't
unique.
say
you
that.
know?
I'm saying every film is-
unique.
But there is an optimum kind of length.
Length.
Yeah.
Allows you to recoup the money that you put in, in that period.
No, the distributors are generally scared. Sometimes they're bullish because if a star is there in a film, generally most of the films are successful films are actually more than 2.5 hours long.
Yeah.
Most of the
them.
big films, but the distributors and exhibitors are very wary of it. So until unless big names are not associated with the film, they don't like the longer films.
तो जितने ज़्यादा स्टार है उतनी देर फिल्म चल सकती है.
जितने ज्यादा बड़े नाम है, डायरेक्टर बड़ा है, आई एम सीइंग विलन वो है तो ड्यून बन जाती है इतनी लंबी.
Okay.
लॉर्ड ऑफ द रिंग्स इतनी बड़ी थी when Peter Jackson actually broke out with that film internationally. He was already a good director,
उसके
but
थर्ड पार्ट में तो मैं थिएटर में टॉस एंड टर्न कर रहा था भाई, खत्म ही नहीं हो रही थी.
Hobbit इतनी लंबी सब
So,
मिल फिल्म है.
important question then, why is Stolen not in theaters?
Important
Amazon
question.
is the home for it.
Hmm?
Because
Amazon
is
is the
correct
home for it.
Okay.
It's a global film, so it reaches globally, you know. That's
Yeah,
the
I
whole
mean
idea.
that was what we wanted. Really, that's what we wanted, and we said no to a lot of distribution. It's not like we had nothing going on. We said a lot of, because we wanted a global place and a place that takes care of this product, which we've nurtured, and now these gods of our industry are nurturing, that we've nurtured for so long. So we wanted this, and that's why, and I feel they're doing a really good job with our film. Really, really good job. I mean, our trailer is really tracking well at the moment, and it's just they are really behind it, I feel.
Great. Great. एक final Gen Z type question है.
Nice.
I mean, उतना भी ये नहीं है. So, because you guys are such, you guys have a body of work. You've been making films for so long. Have you guys ever come across a film that you would have wanted to make? Not remake, reboot, sequel, none of
No,
that.
I'm saying there are many films I'm jealous of.
So, एक फिल्म ऐसी जो आपको लगा कि यार काश मैंने बनाई.
ये इसकी उड़ान है, इसकी स्टोलन है, उसकी खिलाफ तो लेडीज है. ये
The list goes on.
इसकी नहीं तेरी मैं नहीं बना सकता.
कौन सी है?
कल होना होगा मैं बना नहीं सकता, मतलब एंजॉय कर सकता हूँ. मैं तो ये भी नहीं सोचा था ये बना पाएगा.
Kind of thing.
See, because I have known him differently, ना तो ये नहीं मालूम था ये बना पाएगा कल होना. Because for
But
me
yeah, I
he
think
is
that all of us, I mean,
other okay.
I was so envious when I was watching Stolen. I was like, क्या picture बनाई है? And I kept thinking to myself कि now he's going to go wrong. कुछ गड़बड़ करेगा ही करेगा.
Now he'll drop the ball.
No, it's not possible that he's going to do
कुछ
this,
भी
that.
नहीं, it's just
And then it goes
flawless.
somewhere else. It goes somewhere else. It just, and then the film is over, and it's like, what happens in the end? You're like, what? That's not how it started, right? I mean, it's so wonderful, right? So, and I was shooting Veda at that time, and it was the same thing, like a chase and cast and this thing. I looked at Sharvari and I said, "Yaar, picture reshoot karo. This is what should be."
Reshoot karo.
That's what he said. The first thing is like, अरे ये तो मैं वही बना रहा हूँ.
Remember, I told her, I said, this is what it should be. What are you doing? It's rubbish. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं यार?
Interesting. Kiran, any
I
film?
mean, actually, when you see a really perfect, wonderful film, you don't want to remake it only because it's so good.
Yeah.
But there are lots of, I mean, I
Get me
think the
jealous of.
last one I saw, which I mean, Stolen, I absolutely love. I really, again, like he said, I feel envious of how perfect it is. I don't know if I'd ever be able to make it. But Lost Daughter is one of those that I saw, and I was like,
Oh, I love that film.
what a beautiful film. I wish I could have got I would have loved to make it.
I love
Vikram?
it.
I think honestly, and this has happened. I mean, at Phantom as well. When you read a script that you're like, I wish I could direct this, and then you know that okay, you should produce this. In the sense that if that's something that's
They should
already
do
come
that,
better. It happened
should
with
do that a lot.
NH10, happened with Masan, happened with Urta Punjab. You read the scripts, you're like, अरे यार, the director attached है क्या? Like, yeah.
The same thing happened to me with Udan.
Yeah, and then you know you need to produce the film because the script is that good. I mean, after seeing Stolen, when you see a film like that with Stolen, it's like the film is so special. You want to say, okay, how can we help? What can we do? It's as perfect as it gets. I mean, Gordon and Lim Singh is probably the best sort of like action thriller of this decade in India. Right? I mean, I can't think of a better one, if not a longer period of time. It's that good. It's that perfect as far as I'm concerned.
It's a world class.
Super. On that note, let's hope that the audience enjoys it
Yes.
as much.
Yes.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank
at
you.
Film
Thank
Fest.
you, Rachit.
Bye bye. Great. Cut.
Thank you.